Good morning, everyone. Let's get some exercise going. Let's go. I know I said this in the past, but it's always fascinating that there's a bunch of flowers and vegetation in the desert. And not only that, wildlife, animals live here, which blows my mind, but it exists. Whew. It's hot. And that was only 3,600 steps. I think Siri's playing games on me. Anyway, I'm thirsty. Whew. Whew. Oh, that's good. Because I'm only trying to use solar or energy when I'm out here because I don't want to waste propane if I don't need to. I added the extra 200 watts of solar in addition to my 300 watts, so I can only use my electrical items. Speaking of which, it's time to make some coffee. Lately, even if I'm out camping, I've been trying to make coffee in the van because it smells good. That came out really good. How's it going? She's just chilling, you guys. Just over here in front of my van. If she decides to come down, then she can. Bring this over here if you need to have a drink of water. Baby. So she's from around here. Her collar says, please no food. So I'm guessing if she wants some water, she'll take some. If not, she's gonna be okay with my friendly massages. Hello. She seems a little tired. She's falling asleep. I think she loves the shade. I love it when dogs smell like that and trying to get all the sense. Well, it is lunchtime, so it's time to make some food to put in my belly. You know, I was gonna throw an avocado on there, but one of them was going bad and the other one's too firm. That's what happens when you deal with avocados. Came out pretty good. All right, I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my taco. And tonight, I am gonna make a campfire. So I'll see you there. Don't be late.